The step I took that messed me up the most was using this Edgebooster stuff. This Edgebooster stuff is not all that it's cracked up to be. Literally not my favorite. My edges are literally curling as we speak. Like, curling up as we speak. That's so ghetto. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ree. If you are new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe right now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, baby, you missing out. Period. You missing out. If you are coming back and you always watch me and you one of the bros, welcome back. Y'all, today, like on a serious note, I'm gonna be doing a video on this ponytail. I was trying to go for like a natural, cute ponytail look. Okay, but it is just not giving what it's supposed to. I love like how thin the ponytail actually is, right? But it was just a whole bunch of no's in this. I literally am going to show you guys all of that throughout this whole video, like my struggles. Normally I don't really have issues doing my own hair. I have very soft hair. I know in my last edge video, if you haven't already checked it out, I'm gonna have it linked up here. Most things that I use on my hair work automatically. I don't usually have issues with it unless it's like jam. Like jam is an automatic no-go. I like She Is Balm. It's not my favorite because it turns white. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a mini review on this Edgebooster stuff. So first and foremost, it just never gave curl up while I'm sitting here trying to make my YouTube video. Like, I don't understand that. Everybody keep hyping it and making it seem like it's just like the best thing out. I want to try it. Like, I was like, I'm gonna have to see what this thing about, because baby, I love doing edges. Baby hair queen. Like, I don't play like that. This isn't what I thought it was gonna be. I did get the extra strength thick and coarse hair one, and I thought that one was gonna be like, oh, it's double strength, so it's gonna really work. That wasn't what it, no. Really don't recommend this. You can watch me struggle, y'all. Like, all of this would have really been laid down way better, bro. Like, y'all see my hair, bro. My shit, it don't be acting up like that. So we gonna get right into this video, and I'm telling y'all now, give this video a thumbs up because I really struggled, y'all. Like, I literally took 2 days to do this video. So give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, as we start, I am chewing the hell out of that gum, y'all. I don't know why I was doing all that, and then speeding it up don't make it no better because I look even crazier. But I am spraying one side of my hair. The beginning of this video didn't get added. I don't know what happened to it. Like, it got lost in my files or something, so that I'm just out of luck with. But yeah, I'm just slicking my hair back with the spritz, and that's it. So at first I did use the gel on my hair just to mold it, but I think that's where I messed up, y'all. Like, for real, I think that's what messed up. Either that or my ponytail was not tight enough. So, you know, your girl using that mirror just to make sure I see every angle, because I can't see behind my head. So now I'm combing out my hair and I'm trying to make sure the ends are nice and detangled, and I'm going to start braiding my hair in one plait. So as you see, I'm just gonna wrap around the braid with the paper. This was harder than it looks, y'all. And I'm still tearing that gum up. Jeez, like, I don't get it. It probably was real good that day, like, for real. So now I'm gonna go in with some hair gel. It wasn't coming out, I don't know. And this is the hair that I used. I paid like $30 a pack or $26 a pack for this hair, so yeah. So usually with my weave, I like to open it up, and with this, I cut it into 3 sections so that I didn't have to struggle while wrapping it around. It just makes it way easier. Like, it's already hard doing this method by yourself, so it just made it a little bit easier. So as I was going, I was starting to realize that the hair was like synthetic-ish, kind of. I don't know. I'm disappointed in this hair. I mean, I didn't really have high hopes for it, but yeah, I don't recommend this hair. And I also feel like I should have just bought a 1B. I tend to buy the color 2 a lot because my hair is like a brown, but I should have just got 1B because when you're slicking your hair back, darker hair is for the win. Like, it just seems like I made so many mistakes during this hairstyle. Like, it just was not my day, bro. Like, for real. So, like, the funny part about it is, like, keep in mind, y'all, I recorded this video with the intentions of doing a tutorial on how to do like a cute slick back ponytail with like edges. I literally know that you guys love my hair tutorials, so I was like, you know what, let me just record a video for them. So that's why this video is so thorough, like, for real. You know what, at least I had a good time while recording it, because honestly I really did have a good time recording it. So now I'm curling the hair because honestly, y'all, like, I didn't like how it looked straight. Like I said, it was kind of giving synthetic, so I wanted a nice loose curl. So I'm just going through it right now and curling it real quick. So now I so-called myself curling my edges, y'all, and I almost burnt my forehead off. But yeah, I guess this part is kind of essential, but I don't know, not really for me. Look at me looking stupid. Okay, you guys, so this is day 2. Please don't hate me, you guys. I know it's really blurry. I must have forgot to focus the camera, okay? Don't hate me. Day 2 of me trying to figure out how to maneuver this damn hairstyle. I'm not gonna lie, I gave up doing this video yesterday, but I was like, you know what, I can't just leave my girls like that. You know, I gotta come back and try to figure something out because it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. My edge has been acting up. The little wraparound, you know how like when you do a ponytail and you have like a little wraparound? This wraparound piece been acting up since I did my hair. I don't get it. I did my hair yesterday. And ever since then, this little wraparound piece just keep unraveling, and I promise y'all I fixed it like so many times. Listen, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I just don't think it's been a good hair journey, okay? And I really think it's because this damn Edgebooster stuff done put a curse on me or something. This ain't adding up. It just ain't adding up. Don't even look right. Let me just get closer so y'all can really see how my hair looks, bro. And then look how dry, like, my hair, like, what is this, y'all? Me trying to get some cute thumbnail pictures. Yes, girl. So I wanted to get like an ugly before, you know, and then have like the cute after, but at this point I was so over it. I'm telling y'all, it's something in the water. My got to be done ran out. Good thing I keep extras though. So I started washing out my edges and wiping them because I wanted that stuff off my edges, and I just wanted to start with a clean slate. It's always best to start with a clean slate. After saying slate so many times, it sounds so weird. Like, doesn't even sound like a real word. Slate, slate, slate. Like, what is that even? So, you know, we go in with the spritz. We're going to try this again. And I'm using the comb to get all the strays down. Like, at this point, y'all, I was feeling like, ooh, I got some hopes. Like, I'm not going to lie. This second go, it did come out better. But it took a lot, you know, and it still wasn't the look I wanted. But, yeah, we're going to go through with the spritz. We're going to slick it down. We're going to take our time. Get that blow dryer going. I ain't even gonna lie to you, that look good, okay? That hair is slicked down. My arms was hurting so bad. My arms was tired. Same thing on the other side, y'all. Just spritzing it down, using the comb to get all the hairs back. Listen, you gotta get the kitchen in the back. I ain't got no kitchen, but you gotta get it. You gotta slick the back down. Don't ever forget about the back, okay? Period. Now it's time to get into them edges, honey. I'm using the same trash Edgebooster stuff, but it was looking good, so I was like kind of feeling it, like okay, I think I got it, you know, nothing too ugly. It was coming out, so we just gonna keep high hopes. Baby, that looks good. It looks so good. Let's keep going. This was the finished product of what I got. It's okay, honestly. It's really not all that. It's okay. It's giving natural, cute little slick back. The only thing is I don't like how, I'm gonna zoom in and show y'all. So as you can see, it's just looking dry, and if you really look closely, my hair is still wavy. Like, you can just see the waves going through the slick back. Usually I don't have that problem, so that was my number one complaint. But through all the complaining, I do appreciate you guys sticking through the whole video. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.